Hello everybody, we're in Mont Ndeke. It's a restaurant on a plain here in Sele in KINGANKATI. Ndeke means bird, and Mont, like Mont Blanc, it's a mount, like we're in a mountain. Chef, c'est à combien de mètres d'altitude ici?
600.
Okay, we're 600 meters altitude above sea level. Wow, that's very high. Ça c'est Boeing combien? 737 hein? 727? 727, oui. And this is a Boeing 727 plane. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow, I'm impressed. Look at this view, oh my God. There's an elevator. Bonjour. Merci. I'm gonna take the stairs. There's an elevator, but I'd rather take the stairs. It looks like there's only 3 people. Now it's almost 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Man, I'm gonna come back and film this view later. This is too beautiful. Unbelievable. Isn't Congo beautiful? Yes, it is. Bonjour, bonjour. There's a crow here. Bonjour monsieur. Bonjour. Hello, I have to admit that I'm impressed. It looks very nice inside, and you gotta see how the food tastes like. It's a menu. I think they have a menu once every month for everybody the same, but we're gonna get a complimentary cocktail as a welcome. It's free, and only the food is prepaid. It's $90 to get here. That includes the entrance to the park, $10, and transportation to get you here because it's far. It's 600 meters above sea level in the mountains. There goes my cocktail. Merci. Cocktail is free. I don't drink alcohol, so I'm gonna have this cocktail based on fruit. It's windy because I'm sitting right next to the door. And the alcohol, they put a price for the alcohol because it's separate. It's not included in the price to get in. I don't drink alcohol, so I'll skip that. And wine. Oh, Coca-Cola. Let me take some Coca-Cola. I will take some Coca-Cola. Wine, rosé, rouge. What's here? And champagne. The Eternal Laurent Perrier, it's there. Mouette impériale. Mouette fils, Ruinard, Blanc de Blanc, Dom Pérignon. Ooh, $650 for Dom Pérignon. Wow. That's nice. So I'm gonna go check the bathroom just to see what it looks like. Not that I really want to go. I don't really want to go there. I just want to check and film it. But so far so good. It looks very nice. I don't know if you can see, look, coming down the stairs as if I landed in Paris or Johannesburg, but I just came out of the restaurant, so. Look at that view. This side of the plane. My phone. This is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Ah la la. Dun, 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 dun. There goes the bathroom. The toilet. And looks, there should be a hotel somewhere here. Should be a hotel. That plane over there should be a nightclub, and there's another one that should be a hotel. I'm gonna ask around when I'm done with this restaurant. I'm gonna ask if I can film inside, see what's going on over there. This is Kinshasa, Congo. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful country. Quiet. No wind. I'm surprised there's no wind. Hope there's nobody inside. Oh, there's nobody. Nice. Beautiful toilet. Hope there's enough light. Yeah. There's not enough light. I don't really want to go to the bathroom. Just want to show you what it looked like. A nice tour. Urinals. And he belongs to one man, and he's Congolese, so fine, for once it belongs to a Congolese. I'm trying to avoid the sun so the flare doesn't hit the lens. Oh, will it rain? So over here, that's the kitchen, it looks like, when they prepare the food. I'm gonna go back. Meanwhile, they brought me my appetizer. I don't know what it is, to be honest with you. I think it's the, let me check. It's the crumble de chou-fleur au jambon, poireau et parmesan. That's what it is. Bringing food, they're all dressed as pilots. Oui, c'est bon, oui, vous pouvez débarrasser. Merci beaucoup. Je reviens prendre mon sac, hein. D'accord, merci beaucoup. I'm gonna go on the deck. Film us on the deck. Hello, King Kong. That's King Kong. Say hello to King Kong. What's up, man? What up, King Kong? You cool? You don't look too happy, man. You didn't eat? I did. I ate for you. Oh, it's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go walk on the deck. See the deck? Get a nice view. It's a little windy here. That's why I hooked up my microphone. And look at the view. Unbelievable. Nice view, man. $600 high. That's how I keep saying it. I know, but that's how high we are. Nice photograph. I should have taken a picture with King Kong, souvenir. Show it to my daughter. I met King Kong. Ah, mon pays, Congo. Yeah, we're blessed to have such a beautiful country. Yeah. So this is the deck. Look, if I put the lens on the sun, it's gonna go dark. So I have to shoot opposite the sun. And find out what is here. Wow. Mont Ndeke. I'm going to put the link in the description, all the price, all the information, phone number, where, if you are in Kinshasa, you need to go to make a reservation for to come here. I'm not alone. That's nice. It's windy. Oh my God. It's very, very windy. It's very, very windy. And I hope my microphone is... Dans les autres avions, il y a quoi exactement? Il y a une boîte de nuit et un hôtel, hein?
Il y a un hôtel, boîte de nuit et salle de conférence.
Salle de conférence.
Il y a un avion où il y a l'hôtel et une boîte de nuit.
Pas les chambres, pas
Ah, les chambres? Viens, non, viens, regarde.
Wow. So this is two plane. I think there's a conference room and a nightclub. I don't know which one is the nightclub. I'm waiting for the guide to show me around. Or should I just go there by myself? I'm gonna go inside of this plane, a visit. See what it is. This should be a 737, I don't know. Yeah, it's the nightclub. You can see. Yep, it's the nightclub. Nightclub. The DJ booth. Looks small. It's hot in here, so it's not operational yet, so there's no AC, so it's hot. It's going to be the nightclub. They're going to play some Zaiko Langa. Natango bakoko babiso bazalaka na se. Natango bakoko babiso bazalaka na se. Atu elenga bandeko ayembaka atandele. Alobaki atandele mokili oye eko baluka. That's some Zaiko Langa for you from Dido Yongo, vintage. Nice, but a little small. I can't get over that view. Look at that view. Oh my God. Now we're gonna check the conference room, the second plane. Actually, there's 3 planes on here. This is the conference room. Yep, this is the conference room. Wow. Oh, you can look at the cockpit. Very nice. Remind me, shout out to commandant de bord Simon Diasoloa, Ilunga, Chunza, Mukendila, all those pilots from Air Zaire. Shout out to you. The good old days. See, this is the conference room. Okay, I can step out now. There's another deck. It's like a terrace where you can sit. Oh wow, the sun. It's hot, it's fresh air, and it's visible. The room is quiet, serene. All you hear is nature, sounds of insects. We're in the jungle, the real jungle, the rainforest, in the middle of Congo. République démocratique du Congo, nous sommes dans la commune de Lantsele, précisément au parc de la Vallée de Lantsele, à Kingankati, dans un restaurant qui s'appelle Mont Ndeke, un restaurant dans un avion. Il y a 3 avions. Il y en a un qui est une conférence, salle de conférence, et une autre, une boîte de nuit. Oui, ça. Ah oui, ça doit aller sur YouTube, hein. Ça vaut la peine, n'est-ce pas? Faire la pub. So, this park is 20,000 hectares. It's about 200 square kilometers. I'm going to put down the information in this description. That's how big it is. it's so large. It looks like it's unfinished yet, they're still working on it. The food was nice, good food. I didn't really like the French fries because they were kind of soggy. I like crispy French fries. But the tour guide is some people. I think that's about it. Now I will go on the other side because I will actually sleep here on the VIP lounge. Lounge in I say lounge. It's on the other side. But meanwhile, let me enjoy this place. And I'm gonna get my bag and take my ride and go. It was fun. Nice. Nice concept, very nice. I can't turn the camera this way because the sun, when it hits the lens, it's gonna get dark and the shot will be useless. No point of doing that. So I have to stand face that way. So the sun is behind me, so the image doesn't get too dark. Okay, I'm living tonight. Dun, dun, da, 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 dun. Ah, da, 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 da. New York. This ain't New York. This is Kinshasa. Da, da. Okay. Okay. Wow. The second largest country in Africa, and this is just a small part of the city. Okay. So we in another, I think this is a terrace. A terrace. As you are waiting for my ride, as you can see, I have my bag there. I'm waiting for the ride to take me to the lodge VIP. That's where I'll be spending the night, and should be okay. Today is Saturday, and what time is it now? It's 4 p.m. So not a lot of people, but people are coming, and the restaurant on the plane closes at 5, they told me, so there's still time to eat. Me voici. Man, look at the sun in the back. Wow. And the wind. Why is picking up wind noise? I hope not. Let me try to film inside here. Yeah, that's the way it looks like. And cafe, small restaurant, I don't know. Salon de thé, snack bar. Je sais pas comment vous allez appeler ça. Keep switching language because I'm confused or because I'm in awe of this place. Yeah. I heard it gets really cold at night, so I didn't bring a sweater. I will sleep where I will sleep, so let's see. Yeah, so my ride is here, so I have to go transfer to the other side. It's quite far because it's big, and I'm gonna go to the lodge where I'm gonna spend the night. So as a driver, very well organized. The logistics. Where's my ride? Which one is it? Is this one?